Hey guys, it's Ajax here from Team High Society, and just a quick video here. You'll have to excuse the bench and the hotness that I'm building here. Just wanted to do a quick video on how to upgrade your Dominator V2s with the eye cups to having a faceplate. And kind of the reason why I'm doing this video at all is because this faceplate has something new that I wasn't aware of until I got it in, and it's this Velcro piece that attaches here, and when the Velcro is attached, then these just pull on and off. I have a set of Dominator, or I'm sorry, HD version 2s, and they have the faceplate, and I've had to replace the foam a couple of times, and it did not have this. It just had sticky stuff that was extremely hard to take off. So I think this is kind of a nice, hopefully these will stay on well enough that it'll be good. But you know, these pads are pretty, at least in Arizona where we sweat a lot and they get sticky, they wear out pretty quick. So let's go through the process here. It's pretty simple. You just take your goggles and fold the straps out of the way. Just lift and pull the eye cups off like that, and then you take the new plate, basically just center it over the goggles here, and there's little tangs here. They're gonna snap onto those eye cup sockets. So basically just center it and push it in. And then just kind of work your way around the edge of those where the cups were and make sure that it's all seated. You hear it snapped a couple of times, and that's all there is to it. So the next part now is kind of this, like I said, the new part is this Velcro-ish stuff. It's not really Velcro, but it's I'm not exactly sure what the brand is, but anyways, let's get that installed on there. So I'm just going to peel off the backing. I'm just going to kind of fold this in half so that I can stick this on in the center. I'm trying to do this on camera here. Well, I can tell you this adhesive is pretty sticky, which is ultimately good, but so yeah, and just see, I kind of just laid that on from the center. I'm gonna work my way out. Just kind of press down on the edges here and work your way towards the centerpiece. And the reason I say that is because it's got kind of a cut in it there so that it can wrap up into the nose. I'm not quite totally happy with that, so just peel it back up. The side either. And there you have it. So we've installed the faceplate and this little Velcro I'm not sure what to call it, little Velcro pad, or we've attached the Velcro. How about that? Okay, and now we'll do the same thing with this and just kind of stick it on from the center out. Let's see if it'll stick to this stuff, huh? Oh, there's one side that seems to be stickier than the others. Okay, so check it out. One side is not sticky on this Velcro at all. On the other side is super sticky, so pick the right side. Oh, there's one side that has this little point on it. This is round and this has this little square edge. That matches with the square edge over here for the connector. So that's how you know which side to put it on. Fold this in half. Well, I can tell you that sticks really well, actually. Wow. I was worried that maybe it wouldn't stick that well, but this is sticking really, really well. It's actually making it kind of a pain to put on. However, I'd rather that it was sticky than not. And there you have it. So that's pretty much it, guys. Not a super difficult video, but I thought you'd find the Velcro piece interesting, and also a quick how-to on how to switch out the eye cups to the faceplate. Alright, thanks for watching. If this was any help to you at all, give it a thumbs up and a like, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.